Hi, my name is Dallas Schulten, and this is my senior project, Adventure to Dragon's Tooth Mountain. This is a choose-your-own-adventure book, so over the course of these sets of videos, you can play through it on your own. Unfortunately, this game is only going to be super playable on your computer, so I'm sorry, mobile users. I will try and make it work if I can. But without any further ado, let's get started. Adventure to Dragon's Tooth Mountain, a choose-your-own-adventure book by Dallas Schulten. For Mike, whose love of adventure and unwavering belief in me made this possible. The Edge Realms World Map. How to use this book. This is a choose-your-own-adventure style book. Along the way, you'll have to make decisions or resolve encounters that will affect the outcome of the story. When you resolve encounter checks, roll the provided 12-sided dice, or d12. If you roll the same number or higher than the challenge rating, you succeed in the encounter. If you roll less than the challenge rating, you fail. This book is designed to be reread over and over again. Although there's only one set of good endings, there are multiple ways to get there. Happy adventuring. If you have your own physical d12 and d4 set of dice, then that'll make this a little bit easier for you. If not, there are plenty of options available online, either through links down in the description, or else you can also Google roll dice, and the first thing that'll pop up will be a good way for you to roll on your own. You are an adventurer in the kingdom of Sereth. Lewis, the prince and heir to the throne, has been taken captive by a dragon. Scouts have confirmed that Dragon's Lair is located in a cave in the Dragon's Tooth Mountain, east of the kingdom of Verum. Knights from all over Sereth have set off on the quest to save him, but none have returned successful. As a seasoned adventurer, you've helped the kings in times of peril before, and you've been retired for a few years now. The king, out of other options, seeks you out in your retirement and asks you directly, will you take on the quest to rescue his only child?